One question that might be on your mind as you start exploring Zapier is, what kind of work can I automate with a specific app? The best way to think about this is with another question. What outcome do I want? That answer will help you figure out which trigger and action you'll need for your Zap. If you're creating Zoom meetings, every time someone schedules a meeting in Calendly, your goal is to stop monitoring Calendly and having to go through Zoom to build a meeting. Once you know what your goal is, you can break it down like this. When this happens in app A, I want this to happen in app B. In the earlier example, this would be when I get a new meeting in Calendly, I want to create a matching meeting in Zoom. There's your blueprint for a Zap. Now you can either create it from scratch or you can find a Zap template that you can use. You can also look at the list of available triggers and actions for an app to get Zap ideas. If you know which apps you want to connect, like Calendly or Zoom, check out that app's page to discover Zap ideas and find other apps you may want to connect to it. You can also choose to create a Zap or use Zap templates right from an app's page. And just like that, you have a couple of ways to think about what triggers or actions you want to use for your Zap. You know how to explore your apps for Zap ideas and find Zap templates. Put what you've learned to practice and create your next Zap.